test. It's working, guys. When the in the presence of light, the DC motor is on. Okay, without light, the DC motor is off. Thank you so much. Please, guys, get a TIP 120 NPN transistor. That's a power transistor. Take a BC, okay, BC547 NPN transistor. So it is in your interest to get the LDR, our main component for this project. I'm picking 100 ohm resistor. I'm picking 220 ohm resistor as well. I'm choosing the 100k ohm potentiometer, a plastic, and a DC gear motor. From the base of TIP 120 to the emitter of the BC547 of the 220 ohm resistor, like that. To protect our secret, you need this diode, a normal diode. The emitter of the power transistor receives the cathode. The base of the BC receives one of the legs of the LDR. From 100k port to LDR, we have the 100 ohm resistor. The middle pin of the part is going to collector of the BC547. The red wire, not the black one. The red wire is going to emitter of the power transistor. Red wire, okay. Now the black one is going to ground. Black one to ground, okay. Another red, please. The emitter is going to ground also. No, not the emitter, the anode of the diode, okay. Now the two collectors are going to 5 volts VCC, okay, for BC547 and for the power transistor, okay. I think we're done here, okay. Okay, friends, I think we finished the project. Now the testing time. It's working. Let's test. It's working, guys. When the in the presence of light, the DC motor is on, okay. Without light, the DC motor is off. Thank you so much.